The thing that fascinates me about Japan is the culture, and in particular the food culture. The detail and the technique they use, they call it umami. It's that flavour we love, but can't quite just describe. Today I'm going to do a dish inspired by Japan. Scallops that are just seared, sticky rice, spicy seaweed dressing, and of course some smoked eel. These are the ingredients that we're going to be using here. We've got 2 sea scallops, some smoked eel, sushi rice. Here we've got a little apple dressing, apple and lime. Our dressing for the eel. In that you've got oyster sauce, soy sauce, a little bit of treacle, and there's honey as well, a little bit of seasoning. We've got our seaweed, so we've got sea lettuce in 2 forms. So we've got some fresh sea lettuce, and then we've got some sea lettuce that we've dehydrated. And then we've got a little bit of coriander just to finish it off. Okay, so I'm turning our induction hob on to full. Now I need to get this really nice and hot. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of the sunflower oil onto the scallop. You can see the pan smoking. That's going to give a smoky flavour and also sear our scallops. I only want to sear them because I want to be as close to raw as I possibly can. Okay, now I'm just going to roll a little bit of oil over the top there, a little bit of sea salt. While that's cooking, I need to just glaze my eel. I'm using the blow touch because I've got heat without using a pan, and it gives me intensity. So I want to really turn this treacle we've put on here into toffee, because it's toffied eel. And then we're just going to move our scallops very carefully. A lovely caramel smokiness there coming on. I'm now going to just pop my scallops onto the plate. I'm going to get the eel and get that ready for cutting. So I'm going to cut down the natural seam of the eel. I'm just going to get some of my sticky rice and just shape it. I just want a sort of a loose shape there. Okay, like so. And then I'm going to pop the eel, one there and one there. Just going to pop a little bit of sea lettuce on top of the rice there, and a little bit of sea lettuce just in front. I've got my apple puree, coriander, and the dressing just goes loosely around like so. And then just to finish off, we've got the dehydrated seaweed, just goes on top of the scallops there. There you go, my take on a beautiful Japanese dish. We've got pan-seared scallops, we've got toffied eel, we've got sushi rice, and a beautiful apple dressing.